5 says, would a drop of 60 Celsius degrees be more or less than a drop of 60 Fahrenheit degrees? Explain why. Which one do you think is more? The Celsius ones? And then think about how we can explain why. Saying a drop of 60 degrees. You can even say just 1 degree. So would a drop of 1 degree Celsius be more or less than a drop of 1 degree Fahrenheit? So I challenge us to think how we would explain it to somebody so it was very obvious. So we can make it a simpler problem, like I just said, just considering 1 degree Celsius versus 1 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so it is 1 degree Celsius is more of a temperature range than 1 degree Fahrenheit. All right, so let's see why. So we know that we have this formula, Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times the Celsius plus 32. So let's say 1 degree Celsius going to Fahrenheit. So 1.8, so I'm doing it in my head. That's going to be 1.8, so that's 33.8. Then let's go to 0. Or we could have done 60. I'm just solving a simpler problem. What about 0 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit? So a drop, so a simpler problem. Is to compare 1 degree instead of 60. It's part of the problem solving steps. So just a drop in 1 degree Celsius is going to be the same as 30. So it's 9/5 times 0 plus 32, which equals 32. So we can then see that 1 degree Celsius is equivalent to 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. If we go down like to, let's say from 1 degree to 0 degrees, you actually went down. So let me see if we're answering the question properly then. Okay, yeah, so for the same, since 1 degree Celsius is about every 2 degrees Fahrenheit, if you go down 1 degree in Fahrenheit versus 1 degree in Celsius, it's going to be a larger drop for the Celsius because of this. So drop